Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are struggling with DeepSeek AI sign up error, don't worry, because in today's video I'm going to be giving you a bunch of different methods with the help of which you will be able to easily fix this issue. So when you try to sign up on DeepSeek AI, you might face delays. And here you can also see this type of banner that says that due to the large scale malicious attack on DeepSeek's server, registration may be busy. So please wait and try again. Registered users can log in normally. Thank you for understanding and support. So they have clearly mentioned over here that for the new users, they might face the sign up problem or the registration problem. So you just have to simply wait and keep on trying. So in the second method, what you can do is you can simply use a VPN. For that, you will have to just go to your Google Play Store or App Store, and from here you can easily download any free or paid VPN. But I mostly use the Proton VPN, so you can also download it in your device. So it is completely free and you can even just use it as a guest. You don't need to even log in into your account. So this is one of the best thing. So here you just have to simply connect the server, and after that you will have to go to DeepSeek AI and try to log in into your account. Now in the second method, what you can do is DeepSeek AI sometimes blocks certain email providers. So if you are not receiving the verification code, you can just follow these steps. Like you can use a Gmail or the Outlook account. These work best with the DeepSeek AI. Sometimes the sign up emails land in your spam, so make sure that you also check the spam folder. You can even try an alternative email. So if one email doesn't work, you can use another trusted provider. So these were some of the methods with the help of which you can fix the sign up problem on DeepSeek AI. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.